I'm Mallorie Leduc and I'm a postdoctoral research fellow here at CROSH. I recently finished my PhD in Rural and Northern Health here at Laurentian University. My current project at CROSH is to develop knowledge transfer toolkits to address hazards associated with mobile equipment in Northern Ontario industries. The knowledge transfer toolkits really are connected back to industry partners to take the research that we do at CROSH and package it in a way that it's for the workers. So we're looking at vibration exposure, line of sight, and fatigue for the operators of mobile equipment or workers who are working around mobile equipment. My favorite aspect of the work I do at CROSH is the balance between the field work and the lab work. We're able to get out into the field, get out to work sites and talk with workers and supervisors, management, and get an understanding of what their working conditions are like. But then we also get to play with fun equipment in the lab, interact, mentor, teach students. So I think it's the balance between the field and the lab that I enjoy most.